Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video, back-to-back days. Hey, I'm feeling good, man. Like I said yesterday, man, it's good to be back in front of the camera. So, without any further ado, let's talk about what we're getting into today. But before we get into any of that, if you're new to the channel and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. That button should be gray. Come over and subscribe to the channel and join Bobby Sneaker World. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that subscribe to the channel. I appreciate anybody that watches any of the videos, even if you're not a subscriber. But we would like you to join the family. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that big button down below, hitting that notification bell so you get every single one of my uploads, man, because I'm about to start being more consistent again. And we got a lot of good content over here on the channel, man. So thank each and every one of you guys for watching another one of my videos. It's not your typical video from most of sneaker YouTube, but from me, I have a variety. Y'all have seen me unbox everything on the channel, not just Jordans, not just Yeezys and different things like that, but we're going to get into some more Vans. So give me a few seconds to get situated, and then we're gonna crack into this box right here. All right, now before we get into this bigger box, in yesterday's video I said that I had a third box that I actually have forgot to unbox yesterday. So I'm gonna quickly crack into this box and show y'all what I did get this. I got this once again. This is something that came a while ago, but I wasn't making videos, so didn't unbox it. So now I have the opportunity. I'm gonna add it into this video, try to make it quick because you guys aren't necessarily here to see this. But if you can see, bam! I had to do it, man. I had to do it. If I'm gonna have any Funkos and I'm gonna be a sneaker channel and collect Jordans, there was no way that I couldn't get number 23 and add him to the collection. This is the red jersey, Michael Jordan. At some point, I think, what he got on? It looked like he got on the threes in this one. So, at some point I'm gonna open all these. I don't plan on collecting them and like selling them or anything. I don't even know what they do, but at some point when I get everything situated in my room the way I want it, I'm gonna have all these open and on display. But I did add the Michael Jordan Chicago Bulls Funko to my growing Funko collection. So now that that's out of the way, let's crack into this box. Just like Nike, they have their own distinctive tape, and you can see this like yellowish brown and red Van tape with the V66 on it. So let's see. I don't think I posted this on my IG or anything like that, so this will be my first time actually seeing them outside of the pictures on the website. They dropped about 5 days ago, I believe on the 13th. And I ordered them same day, but I got them the other day, but I didn't unbox them yet until now, obviously. But so this will be my first time seeing them in person. Got my receipt from Vans. They only cost 60 doll hairs. Right up my price range. Just like I like it. Now, as you can see, you got your traditional Vans box. You got your Vans off the wall label on the front. Sorry about the wind. On the skateboard, all over Vans print on the back. You got your sizing. It says old school, size 11, black and white, all over checkerboard. Now, you've seen checkerboard Vans before, but these are different. Now, to me, these are fire. To a lot of people, they are super annoying. You ever seen a sneaker that's so like weird and out there or like annoying that it actually becomes dope? Like, and that's how I looked at these, like, at least from the pictures. From the pictures, I'm like, man, those are super annoying. Like, that's too much going on. I want them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll pull out both because I don't know if there are any differences between them. But as you can see from me taking them out of the box, it's a lot going on. And I think they're both identical. So I'll set this one down. All right. These are gonna give you a headache looking at my feet. Now, Bam. You got your Vans, old school, all over checkerboard. Wow, that is a lot. That is a lot going on right there. Even the laces are all over checkerboard. And I can't wait to put them on. I might have to do it on foot in these. Now, as you can see, there's not much to go over, man, because it is what it is. You can see it from you can see it from here, but what I will talk about is some of the differences in like the checkerboard patterns. On the toe box here, you got like a medium size checkerboard, and it continues down on the midsole down here, but right above that on the midsole, all around the mud guard and the toe cap, all around the smaller on the medial and lateral side, you got your really big checkers board. Even on the inside, on the insole, it's all over checkerboard. They are not exaggerating with this. All over behind the tongue, all over checkerboard. These are so dope to me. The bottom, usually on Vans you get the gum waffle bottom, but they have the all blacked out outsole. These are dope. I think these are going to look even crazier on foot once I lace these joints up. But like I said, this is one of those things that is probably going to mostly hate it for most people. I've seen a lot of negative comments as far as like people like, all right, man, y'all doing way too much with this. But that's what I guarantee you I'm not going to see, at least in my circle, the people that I'm around, I'm not going to see these anywhere. I'll be the only person walking around with these. And that's what you want, man. Everything can't be Jordan brand. Everything doesn't have to be Ultra Boost, Adidas, or Yeezy or something like that. Now, if that's what you collect, that's what you collect. That's fine. But I like to have variety, man. I like to change it up. Now, shout out to the soulmates here on YouTube. I don't even know if they watch my channel or anything like that, but I do know that they buy a lot of Vans and things like that too. I didn't buy these because of them, but I was just thinking while I was talking that I know that they also buy a lot of Vans, man. And I own a lot of Vans. I love Vans. They're really super comfortable, and you can wear them with anything. Now these probably not so much, but Vans in general. Vans and Asics are my two second and third, after like Jordan and stuff, favorite sneakers to wear. They're super comfortable, super casual, and you can wear them all the time, man. Basketball sneakers you can't wear all the time. They're not even comfortable like that. So anyway, yeah, I might have to throw it on foot in this video, man. I might have to do it if I feel like getting dressed today. But thank y'all for watching another one of my videos. You got your all over checkerboard Vans. Let me know in the comments down below how y'all feel about these. Even if it's negative, I'm cool with it. These definitely aren't for everybody. But let me know how y'all feel about these. And what is your first and second favorite sneaker brand? Jordan, Nike, Adidas, Reebok, whatever, Vans, Asics, different things like that. Let me know down in the comment section below. And like I said, man, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that notification bell. We're on the road to fit 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We only got about 7 months left. So we got a long way to go, but we can all do it together, man. Tell a friend to join Bobby Sneaker World. I'm out of here. OV!